Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another, I think it's an Amazon Prime unboxing. If not, it'll be corrected above and in the description. But hopefully everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. We're in the holiday rush going. And you might want to check this company out and see what goodies they have to offer besides this item. Alright, there we go. Oh boy, I see something. Aha, we have here, oh baby, these are nice. This is a perfect time to get one of these for yourself or family member. A lot of us can't go to their masseuses anymore until things get back to normal, hopefully soon. But in the meantime, this would be perfect, especially during the holidays. I want to relax. This is the one to get. This is the best one right here, guys. Nice packaging. Muttus M30 Premium Precision Massager. Love these things. And lightweight, portable, premium muscle care. So this should be an easy one to put together and start up. Like I said, get these now before they're gone, because a lot of people are buying these type up right now. I mean, you could do it by yourself, or I mean, if you have a partner, it'll be easier, but you could definitely massage your back and arms and legs. But yeah, definitely, guys, check out Muttus. Nice box, though. There we go. Caramba. Muttus. Whoa. Check this out. Got a nice little travel bag with their name on it. And you get a nice little pouch. Look at this thing. Boom. Nice little handle. Look at it, it's like a luggage handle. This is cool. Almost looks like a toilet seat. Or a waffle maker. Here we go. Drop you guys down. Aha. We got something in here. Not sure what this is. Kind of rings, extra rings. Alright, I got a little manual. Don't need that right now. Another travel bag. Oh, this is cool. Nice little satchel. Oh, let's get into the... Is this one? I forgot what they're called already. And this one, ooh, shiny silver. This little guy. Kind of looks like a tiki torch. Got the plug. It's always good to have these covered. Good bonus. And we got some over here. I can get it out. Come on. Oh, good. There we go. Oh yeah, the clown nose. Or the microphone. And there we go. Put that. I'll probably use this one. Pop these out a little bit faster. Oh, look at this little guy. He's definitely a helper in this thing. But I'm sure it tells in the manual what these names of the devices are. Come on out. There we go. This little guy. Now here she is. This is where the magic's at. Okay, remove. Bada boom. Okay, we'll go with this one. Whoa. Where's the switch? Is there a switch? It needs charging. Alright, give me a few seconds, I'll be back. Alright guys, the light is right there, the button. Look at that. Oh baby. Whoa. Oh boy. Whoa. Oh yeah. Started at warp speed. Look at that action. Bam! Right in your face. Alrighty. Oh. That was my kneecap. I could do this all night. And possibly on Amazon Live, I'll do this for like a 30-minute. God, this feels good. Definitely get yourself one, guys. You don't want to miss out. See how it beats it down? It's heavy duty stuff right here, guys. Oh god, yeah. So you guys could check them out. I'll be right here for a few minutes. But click the link down below, get your massager gun right now before they sell out. Be safe, guys. Have a good weekend. There you go. And take it easy.